everyone loves you, right? Help me understand that. It seems like you have a different relationship with your tenants than the traditional person who owns a, residential, doing traditional rentals.
Well, let me start with this. I am so grateful for this country. I am so grateful for Littleton. I'm so grateful for the people of this country, period. Here's a kid that came from Lebanon at age 22, just finished high school, and started small business. And my business plan was simple back in 1980. I remember telling my girlfriend then, I said, listen, all I need is 4 vacuum cleaners a month to pay all the bills, to repair them.
So people who don't know, and I didn't know this until literally today, you ran a vacuum cleaning repair business?
Repair business, correct.
So you were repairing vacuum cleaners?
I said, all I need is 4 vacuum cleaners a month to repair them, and I'll pay all the bills. Now, you go to any bank today and you give them that plan. You see how much money you get. So
you came to, you were born in Lebanon.
Correct.
Came here when you were 22 years old.
1978.
How much money in your pocket?
$300.
$300.
$300. When I started my business, almost 3 years later, I started my business with $1,400. I gave the landlord $800 for first month and for security deposit. Left me with $600, and I did not own a screwdriver. I just knew I can do it.
How did you know to fix the vacuum cleaners?
I was working at a vacuum shop. That's why I got.
So you learned the skill, and then you said, "Let me open my own shop."
And the reason I opened my shop is because the second time I was fired by the same guy twice, and then I said I will never work for anybody else, and so I opened my own business.
You got fired by the same guy twice.
Twice, yeah.
He did not like you.
No, he actually loved me, but he was an idiot because I was making him money, and therefore I was okay. Now you got to go back. So the first time was for 3 months. I was with them, $3.65 and 6% commission on the profit. The second time, I begged him to give me my job back, and it went $3.65 an hour plus 3% commission.
So you took a pay cut.
4 months later, I got fired, not because I was lazy or anything, but because I was making too much commission.
He didn't like that.
He didn't like it. He got greedy. The number one failure in any relationship is greed, envy, and jealousy. If you can put these aside, you are on the right track. Let me go back.
Clip that, by the way. That's a good one. That's exactly right. Yeah. My number one core value among my business, and I've got my staff here, is be generous, right?
Yeah.
Like if you're the opposite of being generous is being greedy. You can't be greedy.
Yeah, you can't. You just
not if you're generous.
So why is my relationship so strong in Littleton? I am the most common face on Main Street.
Correct.
Every day. I am in town, I'm on Main Street. I'm the only landlord that's involved in what is Littleton today. Littleton made me who I am today, period. No two way about it. They didn't do anything special for me. They didn't treat me because I'm a foreigner that I deserve a grant or nothing. I did this all on my own. I just, I wanted a better life for me that I knew I couldn't get what I did here in Lebanon. Okay? And that's true about Lebanese people. Lebanese people in Lebanon itself, the country, there's about 5 million of us. In Brazil alone, there's 7 million. In the world, we have about 16, 17 million Lebanese outside Lebanon. Lebanon, when you're born, immediately they tell you, you're going to get the hell out of here when you grow up. And that's what happened.
Yeah.
Anyhow, go back to Littleton.
Let me ask you a question. With Littleton, for those of, this goes out to the whole world. A lot of people don't know Denver and, the suburbs of Denver and Littleton and whatnot. Littleton is particularly downtown Littleton. We're not talking about the entirety of Littleton, with all the schools and whatnot. Some people think about Littleton as, that's, where Columbine High School is. Columbine's in Littleton, right? But there's a downtown Littleton where the buildings are not more than 3 3 stories?
2 stories.
2 stories?
On Main Street.
On Main Street. And what you have when you go down there, it's very Gilmore Girls-esque. It's very like a small town. And we're talking about the Denver Metro, which is a large metro, 3 million people just here. You get this like kind of an oasis from like the downtown of Denver and the big skyscrapers or whatever. It's almost got a small town feel to it where you're like, I'm going from this restaurant to this, other business, this clothes shop, this, people come from all over to just shop up and down Main Street. And frankly, it wasn't always like that, right? How did you choose Memphis, or how did you choose Littleton, or did Littleton choose you?
Littleton chose me because the way I discovered Littleton, I made the wrong turn on the street and ended up, I said, okay, I know I'm wrong. I took the wrong road, so I turned around and I drove through Main Street. I said, I've been here for 2.5 years now. And I said, this is nice, because I lived in Aurora in horrible conditions. And so I turned around again and came back, and I parked right in front of Town Hall Art Center, what it is today. And that building has my name on it. I'll tell you the story on it in a bit. And I walked up and I went into the hardware store, and that building I own today as well. And I said, this is nice. And the guy that at the hardware store, Mr. Dick Valor Sr., he was the ultimate white person, right? Okay. He talked with the Southern slang and all of that. But it was, he welcomed me. I felt comfortable. Really, you have to understand this. A foreigner coming to Littleton, Colorado.
You don't know how you're going to be perceived.
Exactly.
Exactly. Are we afraid of you? Are you afraid of us? All that kind of thing. Yeah.
So anyhow, I found this space for lease. It's a small building. It used to be a State Farm agency. It's like 400 square feet. And I went to the landlord. I said, I want to rent it. He wouldn't rent it to me. Second time I got fired is when I went back to him. I said, I need to rent the space. I can't rent it to you. I said, why can't you rent it to me? Well, I have a partner. Who's your partner? My wife. I said, call her. Well, she's not home. I said, call her. And you remember the old days? Credenza behind, turned around.
The mic.
And he was dialing the phone. Yeah. And he told her that this guy here, and she said, bring him over. So we jump in his car, and we go to his house. This is a true story. I just sit down in their kitchen, have a cup of coffee, and we get up to leave. I'm waiting by the door. She's standing next to me, and he's standing opposite me. And she went like this, Leonard, I want you to rent the store to my son. This is why I love this fucking country.
Yes, love it.
This is why I love this fucking country. Yeah. A white woman knows nothing about me except I'm a brown skin, and my accent, oh my God, my English was very tiny.
Yeah.
That's the opportunity that I needed.
Yeah.
That is, until today, I call her mom.
Yeah.
And when she comes to eat at my restaurants in Littleton, tell Cal mom's here. I mean,
that's cool.
So
the house got started. I'm loving this story. You go and rent it from this guy. This guy's not really into it. The mom, his wife, says, "Let's give him a chance."
Yeah.
And so then, therefore, quite literally, Littleton chose you.
Exactly.
Right.
Exactly. So I opened my business, and I have to say this, interject. Since then, I have reciprocated that 4 times to 4 different tenants of mine, where nobody else would rent them. I did.
Yeah.
And just on a whim and whatever, because I believed in them.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button right now. You don't want to miss the next episode. Every week, we drop practical money strategies and real stories that'll change the way you think about wealth.